What's up everyone, my name's Marco and we're back again with another video. I hope you're having a great day, and if you're new to this channel, I want to personally welcome you, so welcome po. If you're one of those people who are looking to earn extra online or gusto nyo pong mag-start ng online business, then please hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell because I'll be releasing weekly videos regarding on how you can earn big while selling online here in the Philippines.
Hey, bro. Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them.
Now, as promised, this video will be solely for product research and a little bit of where to source products kapag tapos na ba kayo mag-research. So, with that, I'm just gonna put my glasses on kasi I can't see, and let's jump right in. So here are the secret ways of finding 7-figure winning products para ibenta sa Philippines, okay? First things first, the very first thing you need to do is prepare. Kailangan nyo muna malaman kung paano gumamit ng Google Sheets kasi dito nyo i-record lahat. Product name, product description, links, saan nyo siya nakita, anong competitor store ang pwede nyong i-model after sa inyong product description para at least pag visit ng inyong customer sa website, foolproof na siya. So, the thing about here is that you need a Google Sheet so that wala kayong makalimutan na link or whatsoever. And this Google Sheet will definitely help you in terms of organizing things. Kasi later on, sa step 2, we will need the Google Sheet. Okay? So, ang next naman is ang time. Okay? So, sa time naman, you have to allot or commit at least an hour or 2 hours, depende sa free time nyo. But at least commit time to make sure that you do this, okay? Kasi kapag hindi ka magko-commit ng time and distracted ka, so parang wala lang din, okay? Baka hindi ganun ka-quality products ang makikita mo, baka basta-basta na lang products. So yan, damputin mo na yan, benta na natin yan. So baka ganun na lang gagawin natin, di ba? So yan. And last but not the least is yung self mo. You have to prepare yourself kasi product research can sometimes be very, very mentally draining kasi madami kang iniisip all at the same time. Okay, so all you have to do is just go through the product research method or product research tool and make sure na ang way of thinking or yung mindset mo or yung thought process mo is tama. Okay? So with that, ang second step kasi is dito tayo napapagod usually, or ako rather. Ang second step is yung pag-qualify ng products. Okay? So kapag mag-qualify ka kasi ng product, you ask these 3 questions. Okay? So first, does it solve a problem? Does it address a pain point, or does it have any wow factor, or does it have a unique selling feature? Okay? Now, why is that? Kasi kailangan ang product natin para mabenta sa market is it has to solve a problem. Okay? At the same time, if it can address a pain point, then all the better kasi pain point usually is dun pumapasok yung emotional selling. Diba? Kapag nagbebenta ka ng item, siguro, let's say, coffee, why are you going to sell a coffee in the morning? Just mainly because kapag nagkakape ka sa umaga and you feel more alive after, di ba? So parang hindi ka na sleepy or groggy and you can go out and do your own thing out there sa iyong daily lives, okay? So without any further ado, let's jump right in on how we actually do this. Just a quick run through. Again, Niche Scraper ang gagamitin natin kasi Niche Scraper is like the current tool. Now, I've been using Ecom Hunt before, but since I discovered Niche Scraper, ito na po yung ginagamit ko. And if you find Niche Scraper that's fit for you, then please click the link below sa description. I left a link there sa Niche Scraper para at least convenience na sa inyo. So yun nga. There are multiple ways on how to search products sa Niche Scraper. So first thing ang ginagawa ko usually is dito muna ako sa handpick. Parang ito yung warm-up session ko. Okay? So, sa handpick products, meron yung mga ito, wheel edge rim protectors. Tapos, iniisip ko, pwede ba ito sa Pilipinas? Okay, pwede. Kasi, madaming banggaan ngayon, di ba? So, ganun. At the same time, itong Retro TV mobile phone holder, okay ba to? It's okay for those people who are on the office. Kapag nagbe-break ka, lalagay mo dyan. Okay? Ano pa ba? Itong solar-powered foldable phone charger, is it good for the Philippines? Yes. For which type of people? Para dun sa mga hikers. Di ba madami tayong hikers dito sa Philippines? So, when they use this, whenever they camp out, baka maubusan ng battery ang phone nila, they can use this. Okay? So, aside from the pets, madaming magandang pet market here in the Philippines. So, eto naman, of course, again, ang first question actually is, kailangan mong isipin if for the Philippines ba siya. Kasi itong product research tool is for the international market. And yung product na snow glider is hindi naman para sa Philippines. Okay? So, yun nga, mag-isip-isip muna tayo bago tayo mag-completely just randomly click on things. So, meron pang babies, meron pang ano. So, here, iniisip ko lang ano yung mga certain angles. Kumbaga, it's like a mental exercise kung ano yung mga angles ang i-attack ko kapag ito yung mga products na ibebenta ko. Now, sometimes I get my products here, but most of the time, I don't. Kasi for the very reason na pag dito kasi ako kumukuha sa handpicked na people who are also opting into niche scraper, most probably has the same method. Okay? So, dun tayo sa mga methods na hindi nila masyado ginagamit. Para at least, yung kapag naka-search ka ng item na maganda, ikaw pa lang isa sa mga nauna sa item. And with that kasi, kapag ikaw yung isa sa mga nauna nag-launch ng item na yun here in the Philippines, it makes it much more lucrative on your part. Okay? So, aside from that, ano pa ba yung mga ways? Ito na yung mga next ways na ginagamit ko na talaga when I'm doing research. Okay? So, first is yung sa growth rate. Okay? Then, hanap lang ako ng mga niche dito. So, let's sabihin natin home and garden. So, with that, automatic lang yan siya magsa-search. And while it's searching, so, makikita nyo, so, yun, growth rate. So, makikita mo, oh, magandang pagbenta nitong knife sharpener. So, you can actually just go to AliExpress, kunin mo yung mga creatives and mga picture niya, lagay mo sa either sa Facebook page mo or sa Instagram page mo or whatever platform you're selling on. Okay? So, itong couch din, pwede to. Pwede to pang regalo or anything for the Christmas, pwede may angle. Again, the mentality here is, sa product na ito, is it good for the Philippines? Yes or no? If it's a yes, anong angle ang pwede nating i-attack or gamitin para mabenta yung item online? Okay? Then, comes the 3 qualification na questions later on. Kasi habang nakukuha natin to sila or sabihin natin, oh, potential to, potential to. So, what we do is, we grab the name, we put it to a Google Doc. At the same time, get the link, put it in the Google Sheets na din. And at the same time, gagawin na natin yung second step, is meaning yung pagko-qualify. Kapag nag-qualify tayo, doon na natin matitrim down kung ano yung mga products na itetest natin talaga. Okay? Kasi sa dami-dami ng products na sa tingin mo pwede sa Pilipinas, at the same time, meron kang feasible angle to market online, it doesn't mean to say na it will sell. You will still have to test it. Okay? Kasi we have to test it so that we will know if profitable ba tayo. Hindi tayo magbebenta ng palugi dito. Okay? So, ganun siya. So, the very purpose na why you need the Google Sheet is for you to be able to qualify. So, sa 50 products, nag-product research ka na yan, 2 hours. Okay, sa 2 hours na yun, nakakuha ka ng 50 products. Now, sa 50 products na yun, you would have then to qualify them if meron ba silang, if they solve a problem or if they address a pain point or do they have a wow factor na kasama doon sa pag-solve ng problem or pain point na yun. If meron yun lahat, then and all the better. Okay, so ngayon, after yun, ira-rank mo na lang sila, and after ranking, now you are presented with a shorter list of products to sell or products to test. Now, when you're testing, of course, before mo ito-test yung product, kailangan alam mo muna kung asan sila iso-source, okay? Or at least man lang malaman mo kung ano yung cost of goods sold mo. Now, here comes the next part, sourcing. Okay, asan ba tayo nagsosource? Me, I mainly source sa Alibaba. Okay, so let's just say na I'm looking for a knife sharpener, yung 3 stages na may tungsten. Okay, so open natin yan, habang naglo-load yan, we'll open Alibaba na lang din. Okay, so kapag na-open natin ang Alibaba, all we have to do is search the keywords na ginagamit natin here. And kapag nakita nyo ng item, knife sharpener 3 stages. Okay, so lagay natin dito knife sharpener. Okay, sabihin natin knife sharpener. So, balik tayo dito saglit. Sa Alibaba kasi, they will give you a rough idea kung magkano yung item. However, please don't be fooled, not really fooled, but don't pay attention to the price that they're giving you upfront, yung sa mga displays. Kasi that can be negotiated. Okay? And with that, ito yung template na ginagawa namin or ginagamit ko to chat with the suppliers. Okay? So, for example, this one we have here. So, ang ginagawa ko una is nilalagyan ko ng trade assurance. Okay? You want to check trade assurance para at least kapag magbabayad ka, kapag hindi nila na-fulfill or iba yung quality ng item na natanggap mo, you can immediately apply for a refund. Okay? So, madali lang to kasi credit card, you can file a refund with them and Alibaba will definitely assist you with that. Madaming klase, no? So, pwede dito, the more unique your item is compared to the ones available in the market, the better. Okay, so pwede to siya, verified by supplier, no? So, you can contact the supplier And once you contact them, just put this na template. So the template goes usually parang, hi, my name is Marco. I own an e-commerce brand here in the Philippines. I was looking into adding your knife sharpener set to my product catalog. Can you quote me for the following? So pwede, magkano kapag 150 units, 450 units, 1,000 units. You have to make sure, bakit geto 150, 450, 1,000? Kasi you want to let them know na you're serious about this. Kasi kapag nag-order ka ng 150, sooner or later, you will order 450 units, okay? So now, magkano din yung shipping cost? Kasi we have to take into consideration magkano yung landed cost pag ship nila here sa Philippines. Kasi may babayaran ka pang tariffs from customs if ever nalalampas ka ng 10,000 pesos na worth of purchases. If hindi, then you're good to go kasi libre lang yan. Now, do you offer custom packaging and logo printing? Again, to show your sincerity na you are here for the long run. Okay? At the same time, ask them how long production and delivery will take if ngayon ka mag-order. Okay? Production is different from delivery, ha? Production is sometimes when they produce the item if it's not readily available sa kanilang warehouse. Kasi, yun nga, kausap mo dito is most likely mga manufacturers na din. Okay? Bubulol ako. And that's pretty much it. So you just have to go through a list and then go through it again by qualifying them and then start sourcing them para malaman mo kung ano yung mga price point na kailangan mo i-consider. Okay? So that from there, you can price your item right. In the next video naman, I'm going to show you how to test a product without any inventory in the beginning, okay? Or in the first place. Okay? So that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys like my video, and if ever you do like the value, again, subscribe and leave a thumbs up if ever, and make sure to click the notification bell para every time na I release a video, you'll definitely see and be able to watch. And I hope makatulong to sa inyo. If you have a friend who can benefit from the videos as well, then please have them check out the video or look at it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys learned something new today, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.